today for the Bitcoin price, and I just wanted to go to the gym, but then I saw that something absolutely mind-blowing happened to my $3 million trade on Bitcoin right now. The question is, did I get liquidated? Am I still in my trade? And what has to happen that I am putting, call me crazy, another $3 million into a Bitcoin trade? Watch this video until the very end. This is definitely a special one, and this is an important one because I have some very important updates to share in regards to the Bitcoin price. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for all your support. I saw, like recently, our likes are going through the roof with the price going sideways. This is unseen in crypto space, so I truly appreciate your support in good times and in bad times. Thank you so much for that. Now let's go straight into the content, guys. Of course, leave your thoughts down below in the comment section and share the video among your friends. Sharing is caring, as you. So now let's talk about the Bitcoin price, and I will show you my trade in the very end. I will show you also where I'm gonna open a new trade for Bitcoin and what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin right now. Are we going to break the bottom here, or are we actually going higher for another retest here and a potential breakout of this this falling wedge? Let's talk about that. So yesterday I was talking about this breakdown of Bitcoin, where we actually got rejected at the previous support, our new resistance, and Bitcoin went down and actually found support exactly at the new support I was drawing in here from this falling wedge. So far this falling wedge is still perfectly playing out. The question is, are we going to break out? Are we going to break down? Well, let me pull out the volume, because you can see here that on the volume I like the bounce. I have to say I like it, but I would like to see more volume here. You can see on the bottom side the volume is not beating the previous volume candles. This is a good bounce, but it's definitely not a definite bounce, and not a bounce which is telling us we are definitely going higher here. What we need is not only to hold with the downward sloping support, no, we definitely need to hold the Elon Musk buying zone, how I call it, and the price level of $3,800. If I'm pulling out the EMA ribbon, you can see we are below the ribbon, and I mean in sideways action the ribbon is not that relevant anyways, but definitely Bitcoin is in a downtrend on the 4-hourly, on the hourly, on the daily, just not on the weekly, right? So we're definitely not in a massively bullish stance, but I'm telling you, as long as we are not breaking the support here, I am standing with my stance that 28,800 was the bottom for Bitcoin. This is something I am saying, let me quickly go back. This is something what I'm saying for a very long time. By the way, I want to show you my surrounding here. I am in Ibiza. There is the old town, very, very beautiful, having a nice terrace here. I'm staying here just for like one night before I'm switching location for some longer time. Anyway, let's go back into the content. I wanted to talk about my trade, my previous trade, my price targets, and also what I'm planning to do trading wise for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. So first of all, you remember I opened a trade somewhere around these levels, right? So then I scaled it up, and let me go into it. I'm very transparent here with you. This is my $3 million trade, and is right now approximately at a 50% loss. And this happens every now and then. I mean, you guys know my track record, and I think we as community, we were absolutely owning it. But the funny thing is, look at the liquidation price, $31,004. And if I were to go over here, and on VMAX it's the same, the price went down to 31,010 or something, 31,012 here on Poloniex, but on VMAX on 31,010. So $6 missed my liquidation price, and this is a learning. How do I set my liquidation prices? You can set them with a specific leverage and your buying price. You can determine your liquidation price, or how do I determine my stop loss? And usually I recommend to put the stop loss just a little bit above the liquidation price. How I personally do it before I go into my next trade and my price targets is, I set my liquidation price or my stop loss. Usually I would always work with the stop loss. Don't get liquidated. Even if you don't want to use the stop loss, just put it a few dollars above your liquidation price. The fees will be a little bit lower. With that said, anyways, I put my stop loss / liquidation price below the previous low or below support, because you know the deal. The price is going for stop hunts, the price is going for liquidation hunts, and you don't want to be part of that. So I rather put it a little bit lower, so I can make sure that we can create a new low, wick below, stop the people out, and then go higher without me being liquidated or stopped out. And I said that a few times before. I just wanted to remind you on, and you can make sure that you are doing so by putting it a little bit below support and also below the previous low for Bitcoin, because this is usually where it goes down for liquidation or stop hunts. This is where most of the people are putting their stop losses, so I'm always trying to put it below that. So with that being said, I am in this trade still, as you can see here, and I am planning to open a new trade. Not right now, because nothing is confirmed. Not right here, not right here, no. When we are breaking out of the falling wedge, breaking out, confirming the breakdown, and then going below, above the previous rejection point, approximately, I don't know, it will be approximately at the 35,000 US dollar areas. I will update you about that. It's all about the confirmation signs. And then I will close it. The first half of my profits I will take at 36,500, the top of the wedge, the price target of the wedge. If we are breaking the bottom, if we are breaking below, I will go out of my existing trade. I will not open a new trade, and I will ring alarm bells, because if we are closing below these levels, I think we are going lower. This is my thoughts right now on Bitcoin. And of course, if we are going then after taking profits above the 36,000 US dollar level, the absolute craziest resistance we are having right now psychologically and also from the volume profile, this is where I'm going to open a new trade as well, or where I'm at least scaling up and then taking profits at the 41 to 42,000 US dollar price targets. So far nothing is safe. So far I am holding still. I am standing on the sidelines besides my one trade I'm having, and I am getting ready. I will keep you updated. Make sure you go down below if you want to trade as well. I have this VMAX link here for you, and you can get in total 2,510 US dollars in my pinned comment with VMAX alone, with my link in the pinned comment, 1,200 US dollars. And how to claim it, it's actually rather easy. You click the link, you make an account, and if you're an experienced trader, of course, after your initial deposit, you have the deposit requirements. They're very easily written down. You get $1,200 for free. The $2,500 I have in accumulated bonuses alone at the 30x leverage, let's say 40x leverage, if you don't touch your own money, only the bonus, this is already a 100,000 US dollar trade for free. Use the links down below, use the bonuses. If you are an experienced trader, take advantage of that. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Follow me over on Instagram, of course, if you want more of the daily life here. I truly appreciate all your support every single day. And with that being said, we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.